Yo, Taylor, I swear, man, all I ever seem to see around here is sketty girls. Sweaty, sketty girls. You get me? I'm not having it. I know, man. Everywhere I look, something needs to be done. So what are we gonna do? Don't know, man. You know what? Fuck it. Just tell him straight. Yeah, innit? I'm with you. That's it. Tell him straight. Yo, all you skets out there, keep your ears open. This one's gonna relate to you. Yo, remember that girl called Heather? Didn't think her cause she had a lot of cheddar. When I say cheddar, I don't mean cash. I mean like cheese and I didn't have a back. That's bullshit. He was like, yeah, I'd book it. Yeah, before I found out she had a book it. If I'm a skep man, she was going on flirty. I was like, go and have a wash your first. Remember that other girl? I think her name's Kirsty. Yeah, 18 but looked about 30. Never had a job, she never paid quota. I looked to the side and seen bare earwax. Tongue went bling, she even like the cat. Yeah, Bear Man said that she could be off the back. She was in it for the money, she was in it for the dock. She went up all week and she didn't have a what. What happened with dinner, did you get things started? I took her to my yard and I dirty bitch farted. I said, party, go on back carpet. Looked on the back and seen shit departed. Hey, Jason, do you wanna come to my back? No, go and have a bath. Back, have a shower, I'm really not pussy. Leave him alone, man, he don't want your pussy. Who is that other girl, nicknamed Darker? She lifted up her armpit and left me sparkle. Got knocked down, got pulled out over. Got knocked out from a fat body yoga. What about yoga? She drove a soda. Knocking on my door every day like Jehovah. No, Asa, she weren't no witness. She only had a bath once a year like Christmas. What about Sarah? I thought she was a model. Nah, she was too fat, man, she walked with a wobble. Yeah, and her body smelled bad like Michelin. Don't think she's gonna model, is Michelin. So there you've been told. Sketty, sweaty bitches. It's a bastard. Ain't life just a sweaty, sketty bitch. Oh dear.